it's just empty, I can enjoy the liminal space. That's just a 20th century building. This is great. But the roofs are separate. Like on top of the entrance. Look at this big old building. This is kind of neat. But like the tags are a little more neat than the building itself. Oh yeah. There's artwork all along this street. We'll check this out and dash to the other side. Really getting the meat and potatoes of this place. The meat and taters. Oh damn, man. It's a hummingbird. Some of this stuff is like so good and like works in just one big piece. Like flowing piece. It seems like a lot of this is professional. But who knows, man. The dude I met at the skate park today, the one with all the murals and stuff, he told me that he's getting paid to like do murals and paint. So there is a lot of opportunities for taggers and amateur semi-pro graffiti artists out here in Memphis, man. I mean, this is a city full of art. There's murals everywhere, dog. This might as well be renamed from Dr. MLK Lane to fucking Mural Road. But I get the significance because, especially here, that Claiborne Temple I just went to is a place that MLK preached at. So, that's fair. Oh damn, look at that one. I really like the designs up there, like on top of the entrance. Okay, that gate is the second option. Another cool tag over there. It's for sale. What I saw about this place is, you know what, I'm just gonna pull up the facts on my phone. On my trusty cellular telephone. Really cool time. Look at this angle. This is a really cool shot. Yeah, none of these holes are big enough to get in through. Or it was utilized for industrial purposes. It's been in need of renovation for years. Listed at sale for $950,000. So yeah, it's a place with some potential. I mean, look at the foundation. The architecture is really amazing here. So I can see why they don't want to just leave it to rot, you know? It's a really nice building. Especially with all the murals on the outside. I bet the inside is full of graffiti too. You could honestly make like an art gallery here or something. That's how a lot of those like abandoned warehouses look anyway. Just wall to wall covered in paint. That's just a battle I'm not prepared to win. Shall forge on and find another way, if there is one. Gotta keep my arms up protected through this shrubbery so I don't end up getting fucking poison oak again. Oh, the windows are all barred. That sucks. Yeah, we'll give that door a wiggle. No, that ain't budging, man. Oh shit, never mind. Alrighty then. You know what, actually? I'm gonna make sure it's closed back, because I can push it through. Yeah, I'm not gonna test fate like that. Have someone see it's open, get it welded shut. Look at that. It's not the failure I thought it would be. This is a giant warehouse. I'm glad I fucking tested that door. Just came right open. It shows you don't have to break and enter to get into cool places like this. You just gotta think. You know what? I'm gonna check out this building, the whole thing first, even though it's pretty empty and shit. Then I'll move to that second building. The explorer adrenaline rush is hitting now. There's another floor in that fucking way, dude. Some cubbies. Probably for people who worked here at one point. Well, someone was camping here. Hopefully they're not here right now. Oh damn, like this is an actual campsite. Well, shout out to whoever's thugging it out here. I can imagine that is a tough grind. I don't even know. What the hell was this room? It's pretty spooky in here, dude. Oh, this is... Okay, I wasn't looking. I just stepped on a very loud pipe. Let's go explore the upper floors if there are any. Move to that next building. I've got some pep in my step now. You know this place ain't a total bust. Smart thinking. Kept the door wedged open. That's a really cool tag. Damn, it looks like this. I guess it's from the sky. It looks blue coming through those holes. Very empty warehouse, but kind of expected that. I think it connects to the other one too. Well, hooray, I'm in luck. Let's check, see if the car has been towed. It has not. That's always a good sign. It's honestly the best sign. As I'm taking like more pictures of this place, I'm starting to get a backrooms vibe. Liminal space. What's the shit? Those are old phones and stuff. Damn, man. Okay, I will say that the flickering from the camera light, from the flashlight, does give sort of a spookier feel. Like a grainy found footage feel. Another breaker panel. This side is even bigger, dude. Holy shit. Glad it's not full of shit and it's just like, well, not literal shit, but I'm glad it's just empty. I can enjoy the liminal space and I don't have to waste like an hour looking through this massive building. I guess what I've learned from this series, I don't mean to jinx myself because I've still got a couple places left today, but good Lord, Memphis. The city of Memphis has got to do a better job of sealing these places up. And probably as I say that right now, as I speak and talk my shit, they're busy welding that door shut. I'm hoping and praying not. Fingers crossed, or else I'll have a bad night. I'll just put it that way. There may be roof access even. That would be cool. Old windows. Huh. These old, like, 20th century buildings, especially these warehouses, these yellow pillars and shit. I mean, dude, this is just, it's cool. It's like I'm back in time. That's partially why I do this stuff, man. I want to experience that old school architecture in a building without limits. The only rules are don't get caught and don't be a fucking idiot, you know? Don't give yourself reasons to get in trouble, whether that's confrontations with other people, authorities, fucking injuries. These places ain't safe, man. But I like art. I like all the graffiti out here. And I really dig the liminal space kind of vibe. So I'm not complaining, really. And I have plenty of space on my SD card to hit up a couple more spots today. Alrighty. There's a big spider web right there. I'm not gonna go through that way. Looks like there's not another entrance to that room. Maybe it's for the best. You never know what's a blessing in disguise. Oh, this was like a washroom, maybe a bathroom for the workers here. Huh. Oh shit. The camera's tweaking out. My flashlight's at full force and my camera can't take it. Look at that though. That's a really nice shot. I'm taking a picture. I have strictly used the GoPro today. I don't even know, because it's just like a hassle to get the DSLR camera out of my bag. I'm not trying to wait up and stall time, you know? Roof access. Let's fucking go. This is like that fucking warehouse in Helena. Memphis is a crime-ridden city. I am just hoping that police siren I heard ain't for me. Damn, man. I've seen all there is to see. I've gotten a good 10-15 minutes of footage. My historical analysis. I'm thinking that my work here is done. And I really don't mean to overstay my unwelcomed welcome, my unwarranted welcome here. I took the right of way and assumed I was welcome. And someday that could bite me in the ass. So I'm just gonna get out while the going is good here and not make that day today, you know? Because I mean, what a way to fuck up a trip. Getting caught at the tail end. Come on now. We can't do that. Look at that. It's an old fucking spinny chair. That's like the second one I've seen today. Scab, I've seen that one before. I don't know if it was in Arkansas or here. And I've seen the okra one. Damn, the plants are growing through the glass. Ain't that something? Whoa, shattered mirror. It's a fractured image. Yeah, it's about good 10 minutes of footage. I'm wanting to leave, so I think I've done enough. Even if, you know, the video doesn't get to 20 minutes or whatever. It's a cool thing about a GoPro. I can just stick it out of windows and shit. Get cool views like that. I'm gonna check out this side of the upstairs. Oh, it's just another roof exit. I guess roof access point. Oh, so the buildings are kind of separate, but they connect on the lower floors. But the roofs are separate. Oh, nice little lawn chair. Was this set up here for me? Don't mind if I do. Sit down and enjoy the scene real quick before I make my escape. We did it. We fucking did it. Ooh. Honestly, I've lost count of how many like full videos I've shot today, but I know it's more than the usual explorer trip with a couple hours left in the city. So we were just gonna keep this hot streak going. You know, aside from any unexpected, unintended consequences of my reckless exploring today. There we go. Barring any bad stuff happening to me. Oh yeah, let's go check out the outside portion now. And I swear, I'll go. I know I'm tempting fate over here, but I said I would get back to this later. Damn. Just lifted a 2x4. What an impressive feat. Pump. Damn, that's a cool one behind that board or whatever. Okay. The first floor of this one's a little spookier even. Wait, there's an open door? The fuck? Oh, it must be behind the chain link fence. Another cool tag right there. I've seen hundreds of cool tags today. I still feel the need to yap about them, about how cool they are. I'm an art man. What can I say? Look at me all spooky. Oh fuck, I'm blinding myself. I will. There we go. Spooky time. You know the risks when you do this shit. If you don't, you shouldn't be doing it. Making kind of a loud exit. I can't really time when cars will pass. Fingers crossed that it's like not Memphis PD who passes by. That's the biggest thing. Anyone else, I'll just speed on out. Lucky I parked right across the street. So yeah. The fuck? Oh. Okay. And there we go. Back onto the street from which I came. Guess that wraps this one up. If you enjoyed this, shit, tune into the next one. There's plenty more to come. Thank you for watching. Y'all folks take care out there. Enjoy your peaceful lives, or maybe not so peaceful lives, but lives without the stress of doing the shit I do for fun, for kicks and thrills. But anyways, enough yapping, and I will see you in the next one. Deuces.